Ever had yarn snap while trying to make a magic ring or magic circle? You're not alone. I'm going to show you how to make it without breaking your yarn. This is Little Crochet Moments, and I'm Mary, sharing quick crochet tips and plushy tutorials. Let's make our magic ring. Start your magic ring as usual, but the trick is to not pull it tight all at once. With fluffy yarn like plush or velvet, this spreads out the tension and helps prevent breakage. After every 2 or 3 stitches, gently pull the tail just a little bit. Keep going. Crochet a few stitches, pull a little, and repeat until the circle is complete. Finish off by carefully pulling the yarn to close the ring without snapping it. I hope this made your magic ring a little less frustrating. If this was helpful, it would really mean a lot if you like or shared the video. I'm posting beginner-friendly videos weekly on my channel. Subscribe if you want more crochet help like this.